guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to transform this guy right here. Make sure to watch more of my builds. And make sure copy that link and subscribe for more and stuff. He looks pretty difficult, but actually pretty easier than you think. One day I'm probably going to show you how to build this guy. But it might be a little hard to build. It's a little harder to build than pretty much transform it. Then you need to pull this here. Oh, don't put it oh my god. Just do it like that, I guess. And just pull the arms up like this. Gotta attach his back. Got a little trouble with it. And then, there you go. Thank y'all for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one.